All right, this is a staple for Louisiana. You know what we call this? Dirty rice. Simple to make. Y'all watch this. Come on over here. It's not gonna take long. All right, y'all ready to do this? We gotta get a little oil throw down here. Ooh. Well, I'm gonna be all over this thing, so we throwing oil everywhere. Get my spatulas going. Mix it up, down, all around. All right, got that happening now. Come on, we'll put y'all in here. All that ground meat. I mean, this is gonna be fast because I done made the rice already. Throw some of these onions down there. We got a lot of them onions. See, like that color in them onions. Got that trinity going on right there. I mean, you can use what you want, cut your own vegetables up, but hey, I had some that's already frozen, ready to go, so we're gonna use them. Flip this to the other side, start tearing it apart. Now, what I like to do with this, I'm gonna show y'all in just a second. I'm gonna throw a little seasoning on this meat. Oh. Okay, I'm putting a lot. Now y'all will quickly cut up this andouille. Got some good old andouille here. Andouille is a sausage that's, I've never seen it made nowhere but in Louisiana. This is something we put in gumbos and stuff, and let me show you why. See that? Y'all come see. See that's big chunks of meat? There's chunks of smoked meat in there. That's all it is. And it's big in chunks. Andouille. Good. Actually, we didn't make it when I was growing up. They had a town about 30, 40 miles up the road here in Laplace, Louisiana. And they're supposed to be the best place in the world to get andouille. That's where it was made at, they says. My dad would work at DuPont, and he would buy this andouille from Jacobs in Laplace over there. And that's how we got our andouille. Let me dump this down here, y'all. That's pretty much your basic dirty rice. It's what I'm making right here. A lot of people make it different ways. Seasoning it up, but the thing about this kind of stuff is it's just a one-pot meal. That's all it is, a one-pot meal. Basically, you cook your rice in another pot, but usually you do it all in one pot, cook your rice and all that. And how we do it. All right, y'all, we're gonna let this cook down just a little bit, and I'm gonna sit down and rest. What do you think? This is simple and it's fast, but you still got to tend to it a little bit. Watch this, y'all. We're gonna flip this meat around. Oh, wee. See all that oil and seasoning and stuff? Flip this around a little bit. Oh yeah. Get your sausage cooking. Do your onions. Them's looking pretty. I'm letting these stay a little green because we want some color in this one, y'all. All right. Now we gotta hurry up and wait. And most things like this, when you get to this point, you cut them down. Nah, we're going up this time. Yep, cut them all up. All right, y'all, we gotta throw a little flour on here. Just a little bit. You don't want a whole lot. Just a little bit. We're gonna let that sit just a minute. Maybe squirt a little bit of water on it. Steam up. What that flour's gonna do is gonna turn brown on here, y'all. So we're gonna start mixing all this together. Incorporate it all in one. Look at there. Is that pretty or what? Got all that oil in there, that flour. See that flour starting to brown right there? Peel that off. Now, I ain't ready for the rice quite yet, but watch this. Right when it's time for the rice, you're gonna dump it around here. What the water's gonna do is pick up all the good stuff. See all the good stuff coming over this way? We're gonna grab it and pick it up, mix it in. Now, watch this. It wouldn't have magic happen. Watch that rice. That's pretty rice, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Now we cut everything off. Everything. All right, we're gonna mix it all in. And that's gonna be some of the best dirty rice you ever put in your mouth. I guarantee you that. All right. I like to let it dry out a little bit. That's just my thing, but y'all watch this. Blackstone done made it easier. And you say, how did they do that? Watch what Blackstone got me. Just for me, they made this, y'all. Because we need a shovel to cook with around here. Look at that. That's gonna save so much time, y'all. Mm-hmm. That pretty or what? Now come on over here. We're fixing it. Now you know what I need? I need a plate to eat this. All right, y'all, my favorite part. Y'all, we're fixing to eat this. Ain't that pretty? It's just pretty, ain't it? We're gonna get a lot of the sausage in here. Look at that. Hamburger meat, sausage, the onions. You could put mushrooms in here, different stuff like that, shrimp. We like it just like this though. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is definitely good. I'm telling y'all, it's simple, it's authentic, and it feeds a lot of people. And that's what a lot of our Cajun food is. It takes you a little bit, you take a little bit and you make a whole lot. And that's what it's about.
Tonight you're cooking with the